Hey y'all, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whenever y'all are watching this video. What's up, ladies? What's up, gentlemen? What's up, divas and divos? What's up, besties? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm about to do another nail tutorial. It's not really even tutorials. It's more or less me sharing my time and just sharing what I like to do with you guys. Like, I don't really need to teach you guys this. I'm pretty sure everybody knows how to put on some press-ons, right? I went ahead and I did purchase two new orders from Shein. Please don't ask me why. They didn't get here yet, but I did get an order last week. And girl, please tell me why I decided to pick out these long curved nails. I was trying to really bring it back to the old school days when I was wearing those big, long curved nails. These are some long nails, but these aren't the ones I'm going to put on today. But I did want to see how cute they are. Like, if you love press-ons and if you love the 90s type of styles, then girl, holla if you hear me. Girl, look at that. Look at that. I don't know if I could wear these. I don't know why I bought them either, but I just really had a plan for them. But girl, but I do have some other ones that I wanted to decide. I really I never can make up my mind of what actual press-ons I want to do because I have so many. And guess what? The other day I was at the Dollar Tree. Now y'all know I don't really go to the Dollar Tree as much as I used to. Why did I find these in the Dollar Tree? These are by the brand Ardell. Look at these. They were $1.25. They only had these. I think there was three different ones, but the other pair I didn't like. And I thought these were so cute. Like, these are really, really cute. They're very small, but I bought a few packs of them just to put in my little gift bags. So I was really not sure which nails I wanted to put on today. I really do like these. And then I also really do like these, but I'm not going to even be wearing pink tomorrow. So I don't really know about these. I think I'm going to save these for another time. Then I thought these was really cute, but then I was like, I don't know. I'm not going to be wearing anything really colorful. And then it gets down to these three. So it's these three that I cannot decide on, and you probably can't see those really good, but that's what they look like. And then these are really cute too, but I just took off a pair of cheetah print nails. So maybe I'll just save these for another time. And I don't know, then I'm left with these two. And I've been wanting to put these on for weeks, but I haven't gotten around to it. And I really do like these two. So I think I'm going to just go with that pair today. I love me some long stiletto nails, y'all. So, they always come with one of these things. I don't use these. And it also does come with an emery board too. I think I'm going to do these. Okay, well, let's just prepare our nails first. I took off my nails last night. I had to pry them suckers off. They took forever to come off. Yeah, they look like crap now. Look at them. Ooh, that's not a good look. Let's get our nails done. Let's get our nails ready. So to allow my press-on nails to grasp onto my actual natural nail bed, I'm gonna go ahead and just file some of my nail bed down just to give a little bit texture to them. Normally I would do the rinsing off at the sink, but because we're on camera, I'm just going to mist some of this clean water onto my nails to just get rid of any of that emery board dust. And to soften my cuticles and push them back easier, I do like to use the Sally Hansen cuticle remover. While that's soaking into my cuticles, I'm just going to go ahead and even out my natural nail bed, and then I get to pushing my cuticles back. I don't know what it is about this entire process right here, but I actually do like to cut away the dead skin from my cuticles. It just makes them look so neat, and I think sometimes I overdo it. Like this video, I did go back in twice off camera, okay? Now, I did pick out the sizes for my press-ons, and now I'm going to get them ready by buffing them out with my nail drill, so that way they do have some type of texture on the back when grasping onto my nail bed. Now, to get all the oils out of my nails, I do use a dehydrator, which I will also link below. Nail glue was actually purchased from Shein, and it did use the photo of Nail Bond that I always do like to use. But when it arrived to me, it was not called Nail Bond. I don't really know what brand this is, but they did use a false picture. But girl, let me tell you, the glue kept my nails on for like 2 weeks. I know they already have that stiletto shape right now. That's great, but I like mine a little bit more structured and a little bit sharper. So I'm gonna just use my emery board, and I'm definitely going to go at the sides like so. You know, make sure it's not stuck to my skin. Also, I like the fact that these are really easy to reshape if you want to reshape them. I love to reshape mine. Then I'll use this part. Now this is what they're looking like after I went ahead and reshaped them. I made them more pointier. I'm gonna go ahead and clean off that emery board dust, and now we're gonna get to making the nails look like they are salon ready, girl. So I do use a gel top coat and base coat. So first thing I'm going to apply is the base coat. You can get this set from Amazon for super cheap. And now I'm gonna go and use the actual top coat. I do keep my hand in the UV LED nail lamp for 2 minutes each coat. So base coat 2 minutes, top coat 2 minutes. And then you just repeat that on the opposite hands. These came out really cute. I like my nails to look like they're salon ready, and my cuticles too, so I will apply some of this cuticle oil. I use this on a daily basis because I've noticed that my hands tend to dry out a lot since I moved out here, and apply them also with some of this EOS lotion, and girl, your hands will look like they are definitely salon ready and like you paid a ton. It came out really cute. I did put extra oils on my cuticles and fingers only to make sure that they didn't dry out, because for some reason my hands always tend to get very dry. It may be due to the dryness out here in Arizona and the water, but my hands dry out really bad here, so I always tend to put a lot of lotion on. But yeah, this is what they're looking like. I love nails from Shein. All of my nails, my press-ons, I do get from Shein unless otherwise stated. I do like to shape them, and I do like to shape the sides only because I don't want the actual press-on to kind of like cuff over my fingers. So that is the reason why I go ahead and I shape them a little bit more. I just try to get them as slender as possible in this area. So that is the reason for me shaping. Like this one right here, I'll definitely still need to reshape, and only on this side, because I do like the sides to look very, very neat and not cuffing the finger like that. But other than that, I think they came out really, really cute. Let me know your thoughts down below, and I'll link everything that I've used in this video down below. You guys have a great day. Stay diva and divolicious, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.